All right, next problem here. All right, so it says solve a compound inequality involving and. So it says, what is the solution of negative 12 less than or equal to 7x plus 9 less than 16? So notice they chose to do the one smooth inequality with two symbols, no and in between. So what the goal here is, the goal is to get x by itself right in here. We want to get x. So whatever you do inside here, you have to also do it here and here. So you got to do it one time inside, two times over here, three times over here. So everything you do is three times. So what is happening to the x? Well, it's being multiplied by 7. It's being added to 9. So we're going to subtract 9 once, twice, three times. Negative 12 minus 9 is negative 21. The less than or equal sign comes down. The 7x comes down. The less than comes down. 16 minus 9 is 7. Now we're going to divide by 7 once, twice, three times. Negative 21 divided by 7 is negative 3, less than or equal to x, less than or equal to, and 7 divided by 7 also cancels, but because there's nothing else, you have to put a 1 there. It's not 7 minus 7, which is 0. It's 7 divided by 7, which is 1. And here is your simplified compound inequality. And the graph looks like this. So we have our number line, negative 3, 1. Close circle on negative 3. Close. Sorry. Oof. Mistake, right? Always catch my mistakes. Notice I put an equal sign there when I shouldn't have. This is just a less than. So that makes this just an open circle at 1. Open circle at 1. Now, if you read it from x's perspective, right, going this way, x is greater than or equal to negative 3. So here's greater than or equal to going this way. If you read it this way, x is less than 1, and there's where the middle is. Because for ands, this only includes x's that are in that middle region. And here's your graph. There we go. Nice. All right, I got one more problem. It's a word problem involving compound inequalities. Ooh. So it says solving problems involving compound inequalities. Enrique plans a diet for his dog, River. River consumes about 510 to 540 calories per day. If River eats 1.5 servings of dog food each day, how many treats can she have? So we see that there's 320 calories per serving of dog food and 15 calories per treat of dog food. So here's the idea, right? We want to figure out how many treats she can have. So that's our x. X equals the number of treats. So this is going to be, because of the between 510 and 540, this is going to be an and compound inequality. All right. So what it's going to look like is this. The 510 will be here. So this is the low number of calories. The 540 will be here. That's the upper number of calories, 540. Sorry. Jeez. I'm working on my pen. Right. I'll get it good for the rest of the year. 540 goes here. And again, what we want is how many calories you're going to have using food and treats in the middle. And this is going to have a less than or equal to, because this could be more than 510. This is going to be a less than or equal to because this could be less than 540, but it's got to fit in the middle. And what goes in the middle here is our food and our treats. So let's see if I have some space here. We'll try. So we're going to squish it right here. So 510 is less than or equal to. Okay, so what makes up the food that River eats each day? Well, his actual dog food. So 1.5 servings of this 320. So he has 320 calories per serving times 1.5 of those, plus 15 calories per serving of a certain number of treats. And that needs to be less than or equal to 540. So I fit it all on there. Good for me. Okay, so we're going to simplify this real fast. So 510 is less than. So 1.5 of 320, I believe, is 480 plus 15x less than or equal to 540. And now we're going to, again, get x by itself. We want x in the middle here. So x is being multiplied by 15 and added to 480. So we're going to subtract 480 once, twice, three times. 30 less than or equal to 15x less than or equal to 60. Now we're going to divide by 15 once, twice, 3 times. 2 less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 4. And this compound inequality tells you how many treats River can have each day. So we're going to say in words between 2 and 4 treats. And there we go. And that's how you can use a compound inequality, especially the and. To me, the and's a little bit more applicable because typically you're fitting things in between 2 values. Great. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you for the next lesson.